Hello, this is Kevin from Crypto MY. In today's episode, let's talk again about these habit trade activities again. So let's stay tuned. As you guys know, HabitTrade is actually a stock market app where you can actually use your USDT to purchase certain stocks like Apple stocks, all these sort of stocks that you love using USDT, which is a good thing. So previously, I actually talked about the activities, and these activities has already started, which is this join combo vs predict to earn. So I'll guide you guys how to join this, and I'll show you live how am I gonna predict this thing. Okay, so first of all, of course, if you don't have an account yet, I'll put down the link at below so you guys can click my registration link to get an account in HabitTrade. So first of all, of course, you need credit like I mentioned before. Okay, let's get started. So right now I'm on my apps. You can see here, I will share my screen here right now. So when you turn it on, it will show all the stocks that you can purchase, or the graph, everything you can see. You can even trade. So right now, let's go into the activity. So in order for you to go to the activities, you need to click me on the tab below. Click on Credit Center. First of all, you need to get more credits as much as possible. You can see there are special tasks that you can get more credits. So if you want to get more credits, instead of just following the special tasks, you can actually trade HK US stocks, or you can deposit more USDT here to get more credits. So right now I have 331 credits to be exact. So let's get into this activity. So the activity is here. You can see here on the banner, Team 1 Combo vs Predict to Earn. So right now it shows open. So once I click on it, it will shows that this is the event. So the event is very simple. So right now you can see the current price pool is 10 over 1000. So it's combo A versus combo B. The countdown is 1 day, 17 hours. So what you're going to do is you're going to scroll all the way down and you see combo A versus combo B, which is combo A is featured new energy and combo B is petroleum. So who you want to discuss, I mean, you can go over to discussion all the way down. You can see people are discussing who is going to win. And there are 90 of predictions saying that combo B petroleum is going to win compared to combo A. So what you're going to do is if you think that you're going to win, you're going to click this combo B and you're going to bet. Let's say right now I have 331 credits. Let me bet half 150s and I'm going to click OK. You can see here, once I click OK, right, it written there on the bullish combo B I predicted this, and I cannot predict anymore for today. But I can predict again tomorrow, which is, see, during the open prediction period, there is one chance for you to predict per day. You can only choose A or B each time. So tomorrow you comes again. If you think that, oh, combo A is going to win, you can predict more on combo A instead of combo B. So it doesn't like, oh, since today you already click on combo B, you cannot click on combo A, which is no such thing, and which is the very, very good thing. So I would suggest you go and try it out because these credits are all free. If you do all the necessary tasks, you will get all the credits and you can use all the credits to go and predict which one is gonna win. So for me, okay, I'm gonna follow the majority. The majority picks combo B, which is the petroleum is gonna win. So yeah, definitely I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna follow the majority. Of course, it's up to you if you think that the minority is gonna win, which is the features new energy gonna win, you can actually click on combo A. Okay, so feel free to do it. I think it's very simple. Just click A or B, A or B. That's all very, very simple, and wait for the results. So the result is gonna be ended at 1 day later, 1 day 17 hours later. So you're gonna see who's the winner, and the winners will share the prize pool of this 10,000, which is a good thing. Okay, so you're gonna get free money by just predicting, and the predicting is so easy. Okay, simple as that. If you want to know more, you can click on the rules there, and you can actually read more about the rules. You can see that the results release, the rewards, who can join, the event rules, everything is here. The others, simple as that. Okay, so feel free to go and check it out. I mentioned it's free money, easy job. Just predict here and there, A or B. I predict B, so you guys can follow me and predict. I think that's all for today's episode. If you like my episode today, remember to click like, share, and subscribe. Gonna see you guys soon, and goodbye.